The PNP reminds security agencies to arm their guards assigned in shopping malls. PNP Chief Alan Purisima warns that failure by security agencies concerned may result in the cancellation of their license to operate. Alvin Baltazar reports.
Following the PNP's order to all security agencies to make sure that all of their guards assigned inside shopping malls should carry firearms, PNP Chief General Alan Purisima issued a warning to those who would violate such directive. Purisima's reminder, such order is a must. Emphasize that the PNP has a supervisory power to impose appropriate sanction against any security agency who may violate such regulation. Violators, according to the Chief PNP, may face cancellation of their license to operate.
We will be very strict. Kung ang isang agency, isang naghahanap buhay sa pagsa-security guard ay hindi sumusunod sa patakaran, we might as well cancel it because you are endangering the public.
And to make sure that guards are capable of facing critical situations such as possible encounter with robbers, security personnel will be obliged to undergo several trainings. Series of trainings will be conducted next week.
Retraining of security guards on letter A, marksmanship. Hindi pwedeng may baril ang security guard na hindi naman niya alam gamitin, baka iba po yung tamaan. So, kailangan asintado po sila para yung ating mong pinaproteksyonan na the public will be spared from accidents. Pangalawa po, letter B, retraining on self-defense. Letter C, retraining on emergency response.
All security training, specialized training will start next week.
At present, there are 1,700 accredited security agencies nationwide, as about 500,000 guards are registered at PNP Socia. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.